Hey, this is Mike Rhino with Rhino Machinery. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Dynapac CC4200 2,224 hours. Let's go take a look. So this is a 2014 Dynapac CC4200. It is a dealer maintained dealer rental fleet machine. Super dry, super clean, a little bit of surface rust, nothing to get too excited about. Center pin's good, steering cylinders are tight. Pumps are dry. Inside the engine compartment, there's no signs of any kind of leaks or anything of that nature. Cummins power. A really nice operator's compartment, good seat, good controls, clean drums, water system. Dynapac CC4200, 2,224 hours, dealer fleet, rental fleet maintained, super clean, super dry, comes with automatic vibratory control and automatic water control. All right, there you have it. This machine is located at 5830 Highway 71 West, LaGrange, Texas. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and see more machines as they come in, trainings on how to inspect machines, and interviews with people in the industry. Mike Verno out.